In a little trailer, I'm promising you that I will give you a good insight into, yes, manifesting tips, strategy, identity, and truth. This part will be about the truth bit. Because right now I'm feeling like I am in the middle of Polarity. Behind me is such a stunning view and I'm close to crying. I feel so much joy being here and at the same time sadness. Two of my boys didn't come. They're growing up. They chose to spend more time with friends. And that, as you might know, I'm in the process of separating from a 20-year-old relationship. And I'm feeling tender because I'm human. And at the same time, I feel happy. I feel expansive. I feel on fire. There is so much good that's happening in my life and business. And this is the polarity I want to talk about a little bit, that is so important to navigate as human being, but also use powerfully for the purpose of manifestation, for the purpose of growing your business. I'll sit down for a few minutes and I'll share what I have to say. But in the meantime, let's enjoy Salò together with me, Tommy, my nieces, my family, or part of my family. Okay? So much love. I might have 99 problems, but making millions on repeat by doing what I love and making a genuine difference in people's lives is not one of them. Which may bring up a few questions, such as, Lenka, how exactly did you go from completely losing your business to creating millions? How did you build a global business in 180 countries, especially with that accent? And wait, is it actually possible to become wildly successful without destroying yourself? Well, want to know more? Because in this series, I'm taking you behind the scenes. The mindset, the strategy, the energetics, the identity, the journey, the disappointments, the money, the truth. Welcome to Business Energetics, and let's manifest some millions together, shall we? I'm so hot, hot, hot because I'm manifesting millions. Mwah! Going? Italy! Let's go! Okay, we just came to the villa. I have to show you just a little bit. I have to show you. Look at my view as I walked into the villa. Look at this. Kids are trying to be quiet in the background. Look at this. Just stunning. View from the terrace. Beautiful Salò near Verona, overlooking Lake, is it Garda? Lake Garda, I believe. Hopefully I'm not wrong. So this is going to be our exploration area for the next few days. I'm so excited! I'm carrying Miss Garda. Look, it's stunning. I was looking for a piece of art for our reception room, and she's going to go perfectly there. I just need to find a plinth for her. She's very colorful. She's very alive. She's a queen, and we call her Miss Garda. That's what I'm carrying. She's fucking heavy. Excuse my language. Okay, let's talk about polarity. You know, as I'm sitting here by the Lake Garda, my family is around, Tommy and my extended family. We're having time of our lives. I'm seeing and experiencing beauty and happy times, genuinely joyful times and moments full of aliveness, adventure, love, fun, joy. And at the same time, as I mentioned in the introduction, my heart is a little tender because my boys are not here. And what I'm experiencing and living is a polarity of becoming and polarity of manifestation. Is through this polarity that you either manifest like motherfucker and create beautiful quantum leaps, yes, in your business, yes, in your life, yes, in your love life, and so forth, even in your body if you choose to. Or you slow it down. If you don't master how to work with polarity, you slow the manifestation process down. Now, first things first that I want to pass from my heart onto you is polarity, which means when you self-manifest opposite of what you intend. So, for instance, you want to manifest more money, more abundance. You activate that version of you fully. This is who I am. You proclaim it. By law, by natural universal law, you will highlight everything that on this polarity has not been fully alchemized by you, so you can hold that manifestation, you can become that manifestation. So for instance, common one, entrepreneur, soul-driven entrepreneur will say, I want to make twice more sales revenues, I want to be twice more abundant. And that's who I am, and that's it. And fine, they start, their awareness starts to open, they start to move with that awareness and with that energy. Only few days later, things start falling down. Some clients back out from the contracts, unexpected bill comes, maybe car breaks down. Essentially, what you start experiencing is actually the opposite of what you intended to. This, my dear one, if this ever happens to you, please, I'll take my glasses for this down, just for this. I need them. If this happens to you, this is very, very, very important that you will not say to yourself, as 99.9% of human beings, I'm doing something wrong. I'm not manifesting properly. No, not only you're not doing it right, you're being it in the most powerful way. This is a big sign of manifestation actually happening. You simply are working with polarity of manifestation. Because what happens is, when you do activate that higher version of you, on that polarity, anything that has not been fully transmuted and embodied by you, so you can not only manifest it one time, but hold it, be it, simply become it, so that physical mirror of reality can reflect back to you that who you are constantly. It will be highlighted. This is how you take it. Anything that has not been by me fully alchemized yet, and there is, simply put, energetic opportunity for me to become more abundant in my thinking, more creative, more stronger, more standing in my worth, more me, more of my soul essence. Anything that has not been transmitted fully, it will be highlighted, it will show up. So this will show up through the opposites. So, but what is important then, and this is very, very important, that we do not write stories about it, such as I'm doing something wrong. And this is actually why sometimes it feels not nice. It's the stories, the meaning our human mind will assign to it. For instance, I think in my introduction I said, I'm here having this amazing time, but my mind is saying, look, two of your sons chose not to come. You're doing something wrong. You're a bad mother. And look, you're alone. You don't have your romantic partner here. I don't have, so because I'm in the process of separation. So that's my mind wanted to say stories and meanings, you're doing something wrong. And that's what I had to bring myself back to, the center, realizing that I'm hurting myself by the stories I write about those highlights of that polarity, not the highlights themselves. It's the same example. I'm sorry I'm giving you the same example all over again, but because it's happening in my life, it's still the best example. When my plumbing, currently my 2 bathrooms are, the plumbing is all over the place, and we're going to have them refurbished, fix the plumbing and so forth. But it came as a surprise. But it wasn't that the plumbing broke. it was kind of broken already. It wasn't at the level of the house that I want to live in and the next version of me. But this now is the time when, because I activated the higher version of me and higher version of the house, everything that is not matching that higher version will be highlighted. It will be show up as in, look at this. This is invitation for you to become more of yourself. So if you have got tendency to, I don't know, speak stories to you about that you're not worthy, or that you're not good enough, or that you're not pure abundance, it will show up, and it's your opportunity to change it. So that's why I call these situations alchemical points. Yes, it's very, very important on this polarity of manifestation. So in nutshell, when we do experience the polarity of manifestation or polarity of becoming, in a nutshell, each of these alchemical points will invite us to let go of illusion that we've been holding and to embody the new version of ourselves more fully, to embody idea or belief or self-concept, knowing something about you that is way more in alignment with who we are. One more example to illustrate this. I was just speaking to one of my dear VIP clients, and she said, you know, I'm in a beautiful cabin with my romantic partner. This is something I'm essentially living a dream. I always wanted to be in this beautiful cabin, romantic holidays and connection. And at the same time, we're in such a beautiful, rich part of the area. And everywhere around me are mansions and things like this. So I'm noticing that my mind is telling me, okay, you're in this little cabin, you can't afford, or you're not worthy of this big mansion. And you see, this is not true. It's the story her mind wrote. The truth is, she is living the manifestation of her lifetime, but the story, I'm not worthy of the big mansion, that's made up. She can create another story that is way more aligned with who she is and who she's becoming, such as, and not only I'm living this dream, this romantic dream, but I'm already in an environment that represents who I am. Mansion over there, luxury over there. That too is me. I don't need to own it, to enjoy it, to be it. So that's a huge sign of my abundance, of who I really am. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You see, same situation, completely different story. So in this alchemical point, she was invited to let go of idea that she is not worthy more, to alchemize that more, and to welcome the idea that she indeed is freaking worthy, freaking abundant, freaking powerful, because she's living the dream and in incredible environment that is worthy of her. You see? That's what I'm going to leave you with, because yes, I gave you a little bit of insight into the truth part, how I sometimes feel vulnerable, I sometimes feel unworthy, I sometimes feel like there is no objective, why should I feel this way? But this too is part of becoming the most magnificent and powerful version of you and the most abundant version of you. This is too part of the journey. So let's not reject it. One of my other dear clients said the other day, I wish I didn't have it in me, that part of me that says I'm not worthy, I'm not good enough. And I said, no, it's through this polarity, it's through this tension sometimes that we create, we manifest, we become. You will have that when you don't have that polarity, when you don't have that other parts of you. You will have that when you die, you know? Until then, learn to enjoy it. Learn to work with it. This to me is master alchemist. When we can be vulnerable and sometimes allow ourselves to, yes, be deeply human, feel those emotions, and when it's right, transmute them, alchemize them into something more powerful, into fuel of our manifestations and dreams and money and impact and clients. Okay? And that's what I'll leave you with. Let's enjoy the rest of our gorgeous Salò holidays. So much love. Until next time. Maćka, we're shopping for what? for breakfast. Breakfast shopping, yes. And what's ahead of us? Million stairs, yes. And after, how many floors of steep streets? About 1 kilometer. Yes. Yes, that's the price of having a villa with the most stunning view, walking every day up and down. However, look at this. That's what we can enjoy every day. So it's not too bad. Our hearts will be happy.